Now let me ask you guys a question. Have you ever wanted to have your own tornado and your own weather and your own Minecraft world? Yes? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to install the official tornado mod for Minecraft version 1.12.2. Let's get started. Video, I'm not going to be spending my entire time on a computer screen where it's all boring and it has terrible audio like a lot of other YouTubers, no offense, but I'm going to be showing you guys some screenshots as we go along the process and installing this mod into your Minecraft. So I'm going to go over all the things you need to install this. So, the first thing you need to install the tornado mod for your Minecraft is Minecraft Forge. You guys may have heard of this. If you guys are installing mods, you guys obviously need Minecraft Forge to install any mod. That's what you need. I have a picture right here of what Minecraft Forge looks like, where to download it. It's very simple. Just type in Minecraft Forge on Google and you'll see a link. It'll be the first one. Just click on that. Make sure to download it from Minecraft version 1.12.2 or whatever version of the tornado mod you want to install. Let's just say you want to install the tornado mod version for 1.10.2. You need to have Forge also matching that with 1.10.2, so you have to have it in that version as well. You can't have those two, having different versions. You can't get Forge in 1.6 and get the tornado mod you want, like in 1.12, for example. Those two
will not work.
It'll say it in your Minecraft that the mod is not compatible, so you need to have those two matching or it will not work. So that is the first thing you need. You need Minecraft Forge. And then, once you have that installed, you need the file itself, the tornado mod. So here is a picture of the website and where you should go in order to download that. It's actually recording, I'm not really too sure. But that's where you go. You just type in koros.us right here on the screen. You just type that in and it'll take you straight to the website. Now, if you guys have been following Koros, he actually changed the website a little bit. This is what it used to look like, and this is what it looks like now. So it's a little bit conflicting, but it's very manageable. You have the Weather 2 tabs at the top with all the different links and downloads. So basically what you would do is when you get to the website, you'll click on Weather 2, and it'll basically bring you to a list of downloads. Like I said, if you installed Minecraft Forge in 1.12.2, then you would obviously want the tornado mod 1.12.2 as circled right here from the screenshot. That's what you would basically download with that. Like I said, you have to have those matching. I can't specify that enough. I had people complain in my last video. Anyway, you basically just click that and you download it as so, and it'll come up, do you want to open this file? And what you will do is you will go into wherever you saved that file, because normally it won't go directly to the mods folder in your Minecraft, which is actually where you should have it. So what you would do, could probably have a video right here of how to do that. What you do is you find the file that you downloaded, the Weather 2 file, you take it, and then after that, you type in, you go to your search bar, you type in %appdata%, and you click on that, you click on .minecraft, and it'll have a little list of like folders. And if there is a mods folder there, click on it. And if there isn't a mods folder there, just create new folder and put it into like the .minecraft and just name it mods. That's how the Minecraft will recognize it as, putting mods into the actual game. So once you have your mods folder open, all you do is you kind of minimize it a little bit, and basically from right here, you just drag it right into the mods folder, the file, the weather file. You just drag it right into the mods folder as so. Oh wait, you are not done. This is the first process that you'll need, but you also need something called Core Util. I can't specify this enough either. This is something that goes with newer versions of the Weather 2 mod. I think from 1.7.10 and higher you need this specific add-on in order for the mod to work. Anything from 1.6 or older, I really don't think you need this. You can check the website. I've actually checked it myself. I don't think you need it. You need Core Util. So what you do is you go back to that website, as from right here, and you go to the tab that says Core Util. There's a tab up there, has it circled. You click on it, it'll have, different, downloads as listed. And obviously you want to download that file in the same version that you download your Weather 2 file. Hope you guys are understanding this. So you want to click that, you want to download it, and then basically just repeat the step the steps I mentioned before with the main file. What you do is you find that, file that, where you download to. You find the CoreUtil file and you drag it into your mods folder. It should still be open. If it's not, type in %appdata%, go to .minecraft, it should be there. Open the mods folder and then take your file that you download, CoreUtil, and just drag it on in, and that should be it. That will make the mod work. Then all you basically do is run your Minecraft. It's just as simple as that. You run it, and it should open with a little thing at the bottom that says like so-and-so mods added, or mods active or something. Here's a screenshot of what it should look like. Some number down there should tell you on what mods are installed. You can click on the mods folder to make sure it's there, and you basically open your Minecraft and have fun. I hope you guys follow this okay. Like I said, it's a little bit different, doing it like this instead of like completely on a computer. It just increases the attention span, because if I'm just on a computer and I have audio in the background, I feel like that would just be extremely boring, or more boring than this. And this might still be boring, I don't know. You guys tell me if this is boring or not. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section below if you were able to install the mod, if you were successful, because that would tell me that this video did pay off and I didn't miss anything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you feel like you want to. This is a weather channel. Anything related to science, if you're interested in weather, meteorology, science, experiments, please click the subscribe button down below and click the bell for notifications, so you get notifications all the time from my channel. I upload it like once a week. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.